All right, thanks for joining, y'all. This is like a kind of a content creator session, I guess. So I did this previous stream, the one place to learn to code, 3 hours, 20 minutes long, and I went to Opus Clips, and they told me that they don't want to clip my video because it's too long. So they only clip under 3 hours. So I said, okay, well, let me open it up and do some video editing, which I basically never do. But I did in this case to satisfy Opus Clips. And of course, like once I got started, I wasn't just going to cut 20 minutes off. That's not much of a value add. So I created an abbreviated version that compacts it all the way down to within 30 minutes. So I might do this more in the future depending on how this performs. But basically, we're going to make a YouTube thumbnail and like a proper YouTube video, which is the abbreviated form of this live. And then we're going to clip on that. So yeah, this is just a bit about my process as a content creator. I've tested out Opus Clips and then some others like Eclipse, GG, and Sizzle. So far, for the content that I do, which is educational in nature, Opus Clips is by far the best. And I also did some gaming stuff, like I tried to play League and use Eclipse, and it didn't work for me. The good news is that they seem to be making improvements all the time, but at the time that I used it, which was this past month, it was not working. Okay. So yeah, here I've already edited and uploaded the video. It's true, I just use Windows Movie Maker. Follow the channel and support me, and when I have a little bit of money, then I will upgrade my PC, NVIDIA GPU, and like better video editing and stuff. But that's the level of effort that I can rationally allocate currently. So let's close some of these tabs. And what I would like to do is go to Canva. That's Canva YouTube thumbnail. So like, yeah, I don't know. I'm not really an expert at this stuff, but I've used Canva previously and it seemed to work well. So let's use it again. I guess I can take a screenshot of my video for this this opening pic. One place. So there I have the one finger up, or maybe I should just do like a picture now. One place. Oh, it looks blurry. I exported it 1080p. I think it's my camera. Well, it says it's a 1080p camera. I wonder why it ends up being sort of blurry. All right, let's do it this way. I will screenshot my current OBS. Let's close this. Snip tool delay on 2 seconds. What? What's going on? Okay. The delay is like not working. What? Is that casting a shadow on my face? Yeah, okay, I need to flip it around. I got a shadow on my face. I need to use my other hand. Fair enough, right? One, we're getting the point across. So we'll save as. I'll go over to my thumbnail food folder. Downloads, thumbnail food. One. This will be pre-crop. One pre-crop. Then I use Pixlr. Just getting back into coding, do you prefer VS Code Visual Studio or VS Code, and why? Definitely VS Code. And like, I don't know. I can't give you the play-by-play. I just have used them both, and I prefer VS Code. Does Visual Studio have the same plugins? I think they don't. But like, it's more than the plugins. It's like the overall usability of the thing. Okay, Pixlr X, is this the right one? I don't remember. It's whichever one lets me crop. So we open up the thumbnail food. Here's one pre-crop. We are going to go over to the tools. I think this is the wrong. Yeah, so it's not Pixlr X. It's the, they make it harder to get to now. More free tools. Go away. It is this one, right? Pixlr E. Yeah, this is the one. It's the quote-unquote advanced editor. Okay, so now I can click this. Oh no, don't do that. Let me use the lasso crop. So here's the lasso crop, and I will go just kind of outline myself. Doesn't need to be perfect. Okay, Control X, Control A, delete, Control V, and now I have the transparent crop. I guess I can kind of thin this down even. Right, that still kind of gets the point across, doesn't it? Or does that look weird? I don't know. I guess it looks weird anyway. Cool, so now we can use the regular crop. Oh, what happened there? The regular crop. Enter? Like, what? Do it, do it. Why is it not working? Let me do new image. From clipboard. Create. What is going on with this crop tool? Escape is not working. Right click, left click, all the clicks. Okay, that was super dumb. And now I cannot. Okay, let's go from clipboard, create, paste. And where did this crop come from? It's back from the dead. Go away, bro. Ugh, this is why I hate like doing stuff like this. I'm like so not a visual designer. Go away. I can't click any of the corners. All right, let's just see if I can save it and see if it works. Export. I'll go for a save. No, look, it's all cropped stupid. Can I, and now that I click the crop tool again, it's pixelated and zoomed in. FML. I think I hate this. Let's go back to the other idea where I take a picture of the video. One place that you should go. This also looks stupid, doesn't it? It looks stupid because it looks blurry. Am I able to view the video in a different, here's video settings. Properties. It says it's 1080, but it doesn't look 1080, does it? You know what I think might have happened? I think like YouTube or wherever I streamed it could have limited the resolution. I think that's what happened. Okay, so here's an idea. I can do my, that's not pixelated, great. I can do my OBS screenshot again, but I will temporarily make my picture huge. All right, cool. I think this is the best one we got so far. Am I making eye contact with the camera? No, let's take it again. It was pretty good though, if I do say so myself. All right, this works. Close this. Let me shrink back my OBS thing. I guess that's fine. Cool. So this is what we got now. That's better, right? I think that's better. So let's go see if I can use Pixlr correctly this time. So we'll open this image now. Okay. Do the lasso crop. And I think that, seems fine. Should I cut the guitar out? I think it's, yeah, the guitar's a little noisy. Whatever, it's fine. And I just won't even try to crop it. I'll just save it like this. So PNG, save as, and then we'll go to thumbnail food. That'll be called 1. This will be called surprised. Okay. You can use premium. No thanks. Bye. All right, so now we're at Canva. So let's see if I can find a template. Some of these templates, they want you to like pay. I want to use like one where I don't pay. Vlog. I don't want to do one of these. Let's see if I can see educational. I want something that's like minimalist, really. Minimalist. I like, oh, of course it says Pro. The one that I like says Pro. I like the readability Japan travel tips, even though I wouldn't use that thumbnail, but I like the readability of it. I want something where it's just like text on the left, picture on the right. Something simple, right? Or if I say minimal, minimal. Let's go over to styles. Oh, this is cool. That's kind of cool. The light color is not the readability that I want. You know what? I can make it black though. And then I don't want these. So let's delete that. So let's see if this will work. Let's take the italics off. Looks like I cannot. Can I? Okay. This works. Learn the one, like learn to code here. Let's turn the text black. I think that'll improve the readability. Learn to code here. And then how do I get my picture in here? Elements, graphics. Oh yeah, in theory, I don't even need to put my face on it. I could just have like a pointer finger or something, right? I'm still going to try my picture. Uploads, drag media, upload files. You can see I did the surprised one before. Here's the one. Give them the old pointer finger. Okay, we got it centered. Learn to code here. Let's do left aligned. I think it works. It's simple. It's minimal. All right, so let's save this thing. File, download. Suggested over there. Yeah, okay, whatever. I don't know, so I'm just gonna trust that they know. Show in folder, learn to code here, thumbnail food. I guess I can just put it here. Or here, I'll say thumbnails. I didn't save my last one. I've only done proper thumbnails twice, ever. Usually I just pick I pick one of the frames of the video. The one place to learn to code. Cool. Take a quick look at it, make sure it looks fine. Yeah, looks fine. Okay, so now we go over here and we're gonna upload this thumbnail. Learn to code here, and it still looks decent. Well, I look kind of dumb in the thumbnail, don't I? So let's do this. Let's go back to Canva and try it without my face. Because I think I look scrunched in that. Styles, fresh coat of paint. All right. Let's pick the same one and basically do everything the same. What was it? New bold. League Spartan. I think it was League Spartan. Left align. Black font. Get rid of these. Learn to code here. Okay, move that, an exclamation point, and let's move that to the left, right? And this time, I'm going to try to use their provided elements. If I can just find a pointer finger. These are pro. It's so pro, 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 pro. Everything is marked with pro. The dog is a pro. What is that melody? Is that a joke? I don't hear anything. Thanks for the follow. You can go over to YouTube or Twitch, link is in my bio, and see the full screen if you're interested. I also have the playlists of like learning to code and stuff is all over there. Dang, that's pro too. That one looks kind of cool. All the cool ones are pro, of course. Maybe I use, yeah. I can use two elements because it's like learn to code here. And it's like pointing at this place. Right? That makes sense, right? I may not be a designer, but I know how to point at a thing. Cool. All right, let's do this. So we are going to download this now. How do I download this? Tra la la la, what am I doing? I wish designers were cheaper and I could just like pay someone to do this because I really don't enjoy this. For the record. I'm such a negative Nancy. 4 unique creator tips. I want to download that as well. File, download. That's how it works, right? Cool. Add as new page. And then this one, file, can I download just one page? Add page, duplicate page. So let's delete that. And here, I'll download this. This is just, I'm not going to use this one. This is just for my like historical record or whatever. So here's thumbnail food. Here's thumbnails. And then I have downloads. Boop. We'll go date modified. It should be the most recently modified items. For some reason, it's not. Okay, I don't know how things work. Control X, go over to thumbnail food, thumbnails, Control V. And this will be the one place to learn to code. Let me change this to be with John. The one place to learn to code, the one place to learn to code with John. And they're comparable, right? But the difference being instead of my, my picture, and then this one is 4 unique tips. So that's kind of like an old one that we're not using today. Although I do like that the deeper purple background there. Is it more readable? It feels a little more readable, but maybe not. I don't know. I think it is. I think if the pink here was lighter, it would be more readable. Or if I flipped it to that deep purple and did white text, that would be readable. Whatever, it's good enough. Yeah. I could potentially make the text even bigger. I don't care. So what we're going to do is go to this thumbnail rater, YouTube thumbnail rater. And this thing, creator ML, here it is. What about thumblytics? I don't know. Thumbnail and title testing designed for YouTubers. Pick the best thumbnail before you publish. Cool. Create a test. How does this work? Is it going to make me like wait on humans? 50 responses per test credit. Yeah. So this is a great idea for like bigger YouTubers because they're going to like literally focus group it. Great idea. I'm here for it, but not what I want to do. So this is kind of like the cheap approach. So this demo channels, log out. I want to do this one. I think kind of works for me or something. It's demo Casey Neistat. I want to be me. Go incognito. What? Custom predictors are only available for channels with at least 10,000 subscribers. Being a small YouTuber sucks. Hey, go follow my YouTube channel so that I can stop being terrible. Thanks. What I would like to do is try to have, so we're going to pretend that I'm Casey Neistat, and then it's going to give these like incorrect data, but at least I will be able to say, hey, option A is going to do better than option B, even if the actual number predictions are wrong. Okay, so we're going to start here, and we're going to go through, let's use GPT. No need to browse. Let's go with the default. Generate 10 YouTube video titles designed for, what do I want to do? High conversion, high click conversion. The title should be related to the video content, which is about finding the one place that people should go to learn to code. Which 3 do you think would perform? Okay, remove. Consider features of high-performing YouTube video titles. Describe 3 important features, including title length. Eliminate the 3 worst or the 4 worst performing titles based on this criteria. A title would ideally be between 40 and 60 characters. Restate the remaining top 6 options with their length in, do any of the titles have parentheses? No. With their character, with the title character length in parentheses. Feel free to alter any of the titles if you believe a small change would improve title performance. One, two, three, four, five, six. These revisions were made to ensure each title is concise and compelling, yet still contains key phrases related to coding and learning resources. Master Coding here, the ultimate guide. Consider word sentiment. Do any of these titles have poor sentiment? Based on this analysis, all 6 titles have positive sentiment, but we got positive, 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 neutral to positive. Positive, positive. Okay, we can test all 6. All right, so let's test all 6. Do emojis improve title performance? Okay, let's see. Which title do you expect to perform best? Create 2 new versions of that title. One that uses emojis and one that is, 3. One that uses emojis, one that is all uppercase, and one that is all lowercase. So many tabs open. They give you more power, basically. Okay, so let's try these. Master coding here, your ultimate guide. And now I'm going to actually throw these in this sort of ranker thing. Tone of voice, I don't know. Oh, generate similar video titles. What is the video duration? It is 29 minutes. 28:46 if you want to be precise. 28:46. Okay, category is education, yes. Video ID, it doesn't exist. How would I have the video ID? I haven't uploaded it yet. That's weird. Okay, license key, whatever. Rank combinations, bam. $29 hours, that's why it's optional. Oh, man. That doesn't mean 29 hours, does it? Okay, so here's the baseline predicted performance. It means absolutely nothing because I'm not casing Neistat. Now, let's add some additional. Let's do all uppercase. I'm not going to try all lowercase. I don't like the, it feels too quiet. It doesn't feel engaging. Botros, thanks for being here. Quick reminder, you can go over to YouTube or Twitch, link in my bio, and see the full screen. Your ultimate guide. It says rank combinations, but the lame, the other one's gone. The idea here is not to be mysterious loving, so this should be engaging. So this says 2.61. Again, we are not expecting to actually get this because it's predicted for a different creator, but we should be able to compare options. Can I hit the back button? Can I hit the back button? Yeah. And so you can see my conclusion here is that using the emojis is better than going all caps. That's my conclusion here. But let's do some more. Let's do some more. So I'm going to grab this. And then I want to put more here. How can I add more? New ranking. Oh, I literally put a list of them. I did not understand that. Okay. Well, now we know. Code faster than ever, discover how. No, that's not it. Become a coding pro, ultimate learning spot. No, I want it to say the one. Yeah, the one. So the top site to expedite your coding. So your coding journey, the top site to learn to code. The best best place to learn to code. Learn to code. Discover your only resource. It's awkward, right? The only place you should consider. Let me grab the mastering code here, your ultimate guide. That one performed well. One, two, three, four, and let me do one more. Become a Coding Pro. Coding Simplified. Master Coding here, your ultimate guide. Become a Coding Pro. Coding Simplified. Your key to success. Here, I'll say your one key to success. Okay, let's generate similar titles that are engaging. Become a Coding Jedi. Learning the Force. I love it. Do scary, do mine. Become a Coding Jedi. Learn, I'm going to say, learn the Force. The one place to learn the Force. Do scary. Learn coding here, or don't expect a job. Or don't complain to me. Learn coding here, don't complain to me. Learn coding here, or expect to fail. Expect to be unemployed. Or cope with unemployment. Learn coding here or cope with unemployment. I'm not going to go for the scary tone of voice just because I want to actually do something performant, but here, this is what I'll consider scary tone of voice. Generate similar titles, go ahead. Let me Control AC so that it doesn't delete my stuff. I want it to create additional titles, not replacement titles. Hopefully it only generates like 3 or something. I don't want it to generate like 100. This thing says resets on the 1st of the month, but it didn't reset like yesterday. Coding excellence awaits you at the premier learning site. Your coding odyssey begins. They're so stupid. All right, whatever. I hate them. So what is the video length? One more time, 2846. 2846. Okay. Category is education. Yes, it is. Should I pick tech over education? Science and tech? Ooh, that's cutting it close. Let me know in the chat, education or science and technology. I'm going to go science and technology, unless I get like 5 people that say education. Okay, let's rank them. Oh, select the thumbnails. Oh, okay, so can I select both of them? Open. Yeah. All right, magic YouTube voodoo boys. Voodoo boys. 24 combinations. This is pretty cool, right? So 12 titles, 2 thumbnails, and it's looking across 24 combinations, and it's predicting the winner. Comedy. Not going to do comedy. Not going to do comedy. Because the video is not funny in nature. So I believe in a sort of inertia, right? Where the user clicks and they have an expectation based on their click. And I don't want to violate that expectation. If I violate that expectation, they click away. So I want to promise them something, deliver immediately on the promise, and then over-deliver. And in the case of this video, that's not via comedy. Actually, I'm just not a funny person. I tried to do a funny video on YouTube, and the performance of it is just awful performance. So far, this one is killing it. Coding excellence awaits you at the premier learning site. What's the worst one? Become a coding Jedi. Oh no, Become a Coding Jedi was the worst performer. The one place to learn the Force. They're like, what? He says bullshit. That's hilarious. Your one key to success. Are we all done? We're all done predicting? Did my headphone just die or something? Hello, hello. Okay, it looks like the mic is still working. There was a sound in my ear like it was goofy. I don't trust the rating. Yeah, I don't really trust it too. The issue is like, what else do I have to go on? Like my intuition? So I don't trust that. Hello, hello. Yo, my AirPods are goofing. So I don't necessarily trust it either. But I do trust it enough to say that, like, hey, you know, it looks like this top one is going to do better. I don't believe in the exact numbers. So I think there's a lot of error that they're not describing. Learn coding here or cope with unemployment. It didn't do too bad. It's in the top half. Okay. That's hilarious. So we are going to change this. We're going to pick this. Master coding here, your ultimate guide. Master coding here, your ultimate guide. Okay, and so the 12.5 million subs. Okay, and then we'll also go to title, YouTube title rater. This one just rates the title in isolation. It does not consider the thumbnail combination. Okay, so the title score is 55. YouTube title checker, title score 55. So I include this metadata so that in the future I'll be able to retroactively analyze. Currently I don't have a clue. Like, what is the error value? I don't know. I think 24 is the best and 1 is the worst. Definitely not, because the predicted views tell you. So having way less predicted views is not a good thing. And then also we have it's the term rank. So ranking first is generally better. And then we also have, these are green numbers with up arrows, which are indicating like green means good and up arrow means better than baseline. Title score 55. All right, so we close that. All right, so we're trying to use these data-driven tools. Title score 55. I didn't just make up that number, did I? I think I'm an idiot, y'all. Control A, Control C, click, Control A, V, Title score 55. Okay. Botro says wrong. You got me, homie. You got me. Okay. So what am I doing now? What I'm doing now is like, okay, we have this sort of data-driven upload. I need to get my description and my hashtags. So now I go to vidIQ. I go to vidIQ for what? The SEO? Like, I don't even know why I come here. Enhance your coding career with GitHub Student Developer Pack. Go away. Midjourney is smarter than we think. Now, what is competitive coding? Should you learn or not? I don't want to do a video on that. Okay. Search keywords. Learn to code. All right. Victor, thanks for the follow. Programming, how to code. So learn to code is better than how to code. Programming. I don't know if these keywords are the same as hashtags. I don't know. Get more content, whatever. They want me to upgrade. Just help me out, homie. When I was a young boy, my father. Daily ideas, AI generator. What? AI title recommendations. Oh, this is interesting. Can I put this all, should I put this all as one word? Let me see what it does, if it breaks it up into multiple words. From zero to hero, learning to code from scratch. I don't know. Title score. YouTube. La 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 la. Has a higher title score. Okay. Let me try this combination over here. Control A, Control V. And then we will drop this. And so we're just checking, and we're going to compare 303 versus this guy. So we're going to do just this one check real quick. Okay. Coding, Coursera, Meta, learn to code. I think pretty much these are the ones to look for. Took me into the city. Hello, you slow, homie. AI is so slow, isn't it? All right. Question mark. The overall score is determined to help gauge how effective this keyword would be in your video optimization efforts. If you have 1+, you might be able to break into highly competitive search terms, but if you're a smaller channel, it's better to stay focused on the mid-range. Search terms with low competition. Low competition, we love it. If I can get some more volume, that would be good. Coding. Let's see, what if I switch into programming? Okay, so now we're into high. What if I say JavaScript? I don't want to say JavaScript. Front end. Cool. Now we're into competition very low. We can see over here related front-end developer, Coursera web development. So stay away from web development and go to, what's your opinion on full stack boot camps? They're just as good as any other sort of boot camp. Now, in theory, you would qualify for more jobs, but in practice, if you already have a job guarantee, then you're going to get a job either way. I don't think I saw that Springboard has a full stack. Let's check. So I'd like you to go to Springboard or Coder Foundry, full stack. So they say they have a full stack developer career track, but where is it? Okay, so this is full stack. Yeah, so the mental model on full stack is not that you should pursue it for its own sake. It's that you should go to the coding boot camp, which meets the criteria for prestige and will land you a high-paying job. And you should do whatever curriculum they say. And if it happens to be full stack, Liddy. In this case, it does appear to be full stack. Can a doctor prescribe medicine to a trans person? I have no idea. Quick reminder, if you're on TikTok, you can go over to YouTube and see the full screen. Okay, so this flopped. It did not hit the 303. So we're not going to adopt this. Close, close. Oops, sorry, reopen that. Close here. I don't understand how to use the vidIQ keywords. I think it just means like use this, keywords that contain your search keyword phrase in any order. Can it just go in the description? I don't actually understand how to use these keywords. So if I look over here, just straight up Coursera has a higher overall compared to what I picked. What if I go, if I drop front end? So we're at 63. Now we're going to go down to 61. What if I drop meta? No, I need to bring back front end. Yeah. What if I drop meta? So I'm going to try and get a combination of these. Ew, dropping meta was a bad move. So we want to keep meta. And developer, programmer, any of these. So here we got, yeah, this is crushing it. All right, so here's the magic keyword group. I don't know what to do with these keywords though. Do these need to go in the title or can they go in the description? vidIQ keywords. Title versus description. How to use keywords in YouTube titles to get more views. Okay. Man, okay, so they need to go in the title basically. Bummer. Master coding here, your ultimate guide. Bummer. I just went through all that effort to find this awesome title, and now I'm missing my keywords. I don't know how to YouTube properly. That's the issue. I'm a dumb boy. Let's see what this thing scores me on this keyword thingy. So before I do this, let's see what I want to do. If the competition, here, what's this question mark? I'm not even going to change it. I'm not going to change it. I'm just going to record the data. I'm just going to record the data. Oh, man. Overall score low, very high. Sean, thanks for the follow. What are some entry-level full-stack jobs that are in high demand? Full-stack developer, software engineer, programmer. Hello? Hello? Okay. My earphone just made a noise like it totally shut down, but I'm still seeing hello? It looks like OBS is still getting some kind of a mic. I don't know how that works. Let me just take these things out completely. Hello, hello, hello. So I think it's going through my webcam. That's fine. You're still here. Thank you. Yeah, TikTok should have no trouble because it's a separate mic. I'm worried about my stream. Oh. So I said that I wasn't going to change it, but this is egregious. This appears to be egregious. So I think I have to go back on what I said, which feels bad, but you got to do it. Master coding here, your ultimate guide. We're going to change this. Front-end Coursera meta developer. We're going to say become a developer. Coursera and Meta. Your keys, your one key to become a developer. I just totally pulled this out of my ass. All right, so it's medium. Now what I need the word front end. Your one key to become a front end developer. That improved it. Your keys to front end development. What if I just say become a front end? Okay, now we're getting good. What if I add how to? I think it seemed fine either way. The one way. No, that's too many words. Just become a front-end developer. What if I drop and? Doesn't really seem to have an impact. Coursera plus Meta. Okay, so I think this works. So let's go for this, and then let's go back to my thumbnail comparer thingy. And I'm going to prefer... I'm going to prefer vidIQ title over the thumbnail thingy, I guess. All right. Thumbnail title rater. All right, let's do this again. Video titles, Coursera and Met, and let's go to capitalize my title. Title score is 50 now. Okay. I thought that was a pretty good title, wasn't it? Master Coding Here, Your Ultimate Guide. I kind of want to like hang on to it. Maybe I will put out 2 videos that are like similar but not. Yeah, maybe I'll just like put out the same video twice. Is that totally stupid? Maybe it is. All right, so it's predicting just like awful performance. It's predicting that this is like half as good as the other one. Okay, become a Coursera Meta, become a front-end developer, and then the title score was 50, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, title score 50. Puff need help lying about job experience. Don't lie, just get a portfolio. Why would you lie? Just get experience. Lying is like the dumbest. Are you pro yet? Are you actually awesome? Could you actually pass an interview? Okay, so vidIQ keyword score. There's the keyword score, and then there is the competition. Overall score, and then competition. No, they want years of experience with Kafka, so just going to say third level Kafka stuff, built Kafka project for made up team. Okay, what? All right. All right, so here's the vidIQ overall score, vidIQ competition. And for this title, we have 6315.04. 6315.04. And then let's use the other title. Need advice for taking it to make it, sir. Need advice for taking it to make it, sir. I don't even understand the question. My advice would not be to BS that you made a Kafka component for some team that doesn't exist. That seems really stupid. Overall score 23 and then 96.94. Overall score 23 and then 96.94. 23, 96.94. Cool. So we have the data in there. So what's the description here? This video explains why the Coursera and Meta course on front-end development is currently June 2023, the single best place for people to learn to code. Start learning to code. People to start learning to code. This video is an abbreviated or shortened form of a 3 hour of a live data analysis session that took over 3 hours. See the original here. The one place, YouTube. Gun lie and be rich pays 150K, front end sucks. Okay. Where am I, homie? All right, so we're closing this. And yeah, I think we're doing good. The one place that we can close this. See the original here. And then Meta, Coursera. I wish they would give me like a referral fee, but I don't get one. Coursera link. Not sponsored. No, not sponsored. Yeah. I'm confused. What were you reviewing? No, it's not made for kids. Next. Add an end screen. I don't really have an end screen that I want to promote. Public. Send it. Cool. So now it's posted. Oh, it's a YouTube description. Yeah, exactly. Okay, so I just published this video, so go watch it. YouTube link in my bio. That is going to do it for this stream. And follow my page. I think the next stream will actually be coding. Tons of fun to those who sub. Let me make sure I didn't ignore any YouTube comments. Yeah, I don't see any open comments in YouTube. All right, y'all. Talk to you later.